Alright, so here we go. I'm going to run through this AP Prep diagnostic test. And what I did is I marked all the answers, and I'm going to show you how I got to those answers. Question 1. Consider the following code segment. Int x equals 20 while x is less than 25. Alright, so here's the key. And what this is a common test taking strategy is you go ahead and start eliminating possibilities. Okay, so or anything that's not a possibility. So we start off x equals 20 while x is less than 25, which it is. It's going to increase x and then it prints x. So that means by the time it prints here, it's going to go from 20 to 21. So the first thing that's going to print is a 21. So I can go ahead and eliminate these options. So I know it's only these two. Okay, and the key here is while x is less than 25. So it's going to be 21, and then it goes through, changes to 23. Alright, so we got, 21, then it's going to print out 22, and then it's going to be 23, and then it's going to be 24. So let's see what happens next. It's going to come up here as 24. 24 is less than 25, so then it increases itself to 25, and then it prints it out. So then it's going to print out 25, and then it's going to come back around, and it's going to say, well, 25 is not less than 25, so it no longer does the loop. So the lowest, the first number and the last number are 21 and 25. So those are the correct answers, or D. Alright, let's check out this next situation. In order to place a phone call and a mobile phone, several factors must be in place. The Boolean variable is on and is roaming indicate the state of the phone. The int bars stores the number of bars from 0 to 5 inclusive. For a call to be made, is on must be true, is roaming must be false, and bars must be greater than 0. Which of the following code segments correctly sets the Boolean variable can call to true when is possible? Alright, so is on, so this would have to be true, and the opposite of is roaming. Okay, so that means is roaming would have to be set to false. Okay, and bars is greater than 0. It has to meet all three of those conditions. Okay, so is roaming would have to be false, and then when you do the opposite of that, it changes to true. So in other words, it would be true, true, and then this statement would be true. So this option 1 actually works. Okay, alright, see you guys. Let's check out option 2. If is roaming, is on, can call is set to true. Now this is a problem because it sets it to true if any one of the circumstances meet. So that's not going to work. Alright, let's check out this third option. If is on or is roaming in this. Okay, so this is a problem here because an or means that it only has to meet one of the conditions, but it's got to meet all three, and you can kind of see that with the and up here. So that can't be a possibility. So only option is option A.